apologize for the wind. It's always super windy out here. But you never know what you're gonna find at this sugar auction. Bag of garbage. Some sort of big table. All kinds of stuff. Van with the AC on top. Be nice to have a little tractor with the bucket, a lift in the front. They'll pick up stuff around the shop. It's painted this guy up. Man, look at that. Glossy. New decals. No window. Looks good from a few feet back though. They even painted the fan and everything. John Deere. No idea the year, but looks like a 2570. Motors must. Wow. It's got the holes everywhere. Man. Cool old machine. They don't build them like they used to anymore. Here we are, 5923 John Deere. It's a bit rusty too. Hopefully it's still usable, but I don't know. Bought it sight unseen. There we go. Looks like it hasn't been used in a while. We'll see. At least it's got a battery. Looks to be all there. Kohler engine. I'm guessing. M65. Just got home. It's kind of a nightmare picking this thing up. Sometimes they get you in and out of there fast, but other times they take a while. But got it home. Here it is. It's got some holes in the deck. Nothing seems froze up. It still seems pretty solid, but I mean, definitely some holes in it, but I think you still might be able to salvage it or at least use it for a little bit. Tires look new up front. Even the back ones. Air cleaner, I took it off. I didn't like seeing that rust on top. We'll have to see if it's got a lot of water in it. The oil looked clear. So I don't see a lot of water on it anyways. Looks like a Kohler engine. I'm not sure of the size. This one was empty, which is good. The switch for the tanks is there, and it's on this side, I believe. This one has some down in there, but it doesn't smell like varnish. But yeah, we'll see. Might be a little life left in it, but hopefully anyways. Looks like 2,000 hours. Quite a bit. Some wires are loose here. This looks like it goes to the clutch. But I don't know why they spliced into that or why it's disconnected, but there's definitely some corroded connections here. So if you go on Amazon or eBay, you can get these sets of tractor keys. It's a lot of the common different ones from, it's like 30 bucks or something like that, but get a ton of different keys, and most of the time you buy them from auction, they don't have any keys. So let's dig through and see if we can find one. Looks sort of like a Toro kind of. So this is the one that worked. Looks like it comes on a lot of Toro machines, but it seems to work just fine. So we'll get that one off of there, and that was easy. That was a cool buy getting these. All right, got this battery pump from Harbor Freight. I'm gonna try to get some of the old gas out before we pump it into the engine. So let's see if it'll get anything. Actually, it doesn't look too bad. Maybe I shouldn't pump it out. It doesn't smell bad. Better safe than sorry, though. Alright, I think that's it. It only had a little bit in it, which I guess is good. We'll put some fresh gas in and dilute what's left. Got a new filter we need to swap in place here. Just a couple clamps and get it swapped out. Battery installed, on sale today. Got lucky. I'm gonna give it a little bump. Got some of the WD-40 out. Checked the spark on both sides and it seems like it was all right, but a little rodent activity here. Something was munching on that. You can see a little teeth mark. Muffler's got a couple holes in it, so probably not going to be as quiet as we think. Choke is froze up, but I'm able to move it like this, but I'm gonna try it about there first. We'll dump a little gas down it. Just a little bit. Alright, looks like it started to pump some fuel in there. You can see a little fuel in the filter. We'll give it one more go and see if it'll idle. Might have to clean that carb though. Oh, that's too much. Hopefully there's a fire extinguisher around here somewhere. If the fuel pump's getting it up there. What's the, maybe choke it a little more. Let's see here. Oh, too much. pressure washer cleaned up pretty good. Not bad. The yellow's popping. I think these wheels are new up front. There ain't a blemish on those. All the decals shined up good. Maybe get a seat cover or something, but this popped out more. Man, this would be an all right mower if it wasn't for these holes, but I mean, the rest of it is solid. It's just around the spindles is the really problem areas. Blasted off a lot of that grease and leaves and stuff. Side of the engine got cleaned up. Yeah. It's amazing what a pressure washer can do. All right, we got the carb hat off. Replaced that super leaky fuel line there. Got this fuel line replaced. That one still looks really sketchy right there, but we'll give it a go and see. Next, we're gonna move on to why this thing is so loud. I don't know why someone would punch holes in this thing. I'm thinking about how to quiet it down. So I got this shield bent up out of the way, but I think for these big ones on the end, I might just weld them shut with these bolts, and then kind of weld these up too with some bolts. I don't know why one would do that, but it is way too loud. I don't even know if this will quiet it down that much, but we're gonna try. Ooh, are your eyes burning? Mine kind of are.